Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Miranda, and yes, I am making a video today because I'm not gonna tell you what I'm so happy right now because tonight when I first got into a house and I saw a mail with my name on it, so I was like, okay, like I don't understand because I thought this one was gonna be for my something, I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna be showing you guys right now, and I just got this. So this is what I got, boy. This glows in the dark, but I'll show you in the dark in a minute. What, Jackie?
We just making a video about our new
Madison got one as well, so she's using mine because hers is not coming in until like Wednesday, but hers can come earlier than that day.
You do not have a brush tonight.
I don't know how to brush my own hair.
No, that's crazy.
You're embarrassing her on the video. So, you guys are not going to be able to see me in the dark. So, yeah, but I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like in the dark. Hold on. Guys, look. Guys, see that? See this? See that glowing? I bet you guys can see it. It glows in the dark, but it doesn't work whenever I have it on. It literally glows whenever I cover it, so I don't understand what is going on, but yeah. Yeah. Oh, you guys see this shirt? Sorry, guys. I'm obsessed with that shirt. So I think my hair's like all crazy. What is going on with my tablet, though? Like, oh. Okay. So, yeah. It goes way too fast, guys, and I literally almost cut myself with this. Doesn't hurt at all. It takes time to glow, get this to glow in the dark. So yeah. My cat is in there in the basement. Oh yeah. I gotta try about the social media. Not really, but. It's still spinning, okay. The reason why I said I got this tonight was I ordered it on Thursday. So if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, leave that like button, smash that like button if you guys like this video, and leave a comment down below what you guys want me to do. So peace.